A slight chance of showers until midnight, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows around 50. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of showers in the morning, then a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Hot. Effective until 4 a.m. Saturday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Hardin, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, and Saline, and Ballard, Kentucky. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 120 has been issued until 4 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Hardin, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, and Saline, and Ballard, Kentucky. Tornado Watch number 120 has been issued until 4 a.m. Saturday for the following counties in Illinois: Massac and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard, Callaway, Carlisle, Crittenden, Fulton, Graves, Hickman, Livingston, Lyon, Marshall, McCracken and Trigg, and Mississippi, Missouri. Tornado Watch number